Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from group 7. This is for the project 1, that is spatial data collection. So in this presentation, we will talk about the project itself, the team, project goals, methodology, project stages, project result, discussion, and conclusion. Okay, let's go through all of it. Okay, the first one is about the project itself. The project itself is how we gather spatial data, and with all the spatial data, we study about the land and we analyze it and we present our findings. So this is like a practical exposure on how we make use of spatial data. We all know what is spatial data. Spatial data is the data that is there, and we have to know how to use it. Closest example is like we use every day Google Map. How we navigate ourselves when we go to somewhere, we're driving. We use the spatial data to navigate. Okay, next one. So this is the findings. Uh, so spatial data is the data that is we kept in the database. So we refer the spatial data and we make use of it, something useful. So for this project, we make a map, simple map using the spatial data that is Google Earth, and we use the software of ArcGIS in order to make a map out of the Google Earth. So, so this is the team. So me myself is so I do out all the information on the field and carry out all the physical survey. And my teammate Arif Daniel and also Amir Hakim, Shahrul, and Adib Hazri. So all of us have respective tasks on this project. Okay. So next for the project goals, I give to Arif Daniel to present.
Okay, for the project goals, the first one, we need to understand on how to use the spatial data in terms of analyzing a certain area as surveyor. So for the second goals, be familiar with real life projects regarding survey. Next, to equip students with hands-on experience in collecting spatial data through field surveying. To apply various field survey measurement techniques to gather data about a specific land area. And the last one is to learn about Google Earth Pro software. Next. Next slide. Faiz, next slide.
Yeah, next slide already.
So for this part is the methodology itself. So the first step, the first procedure, the survey area is located and marked on an area photograph of the map. Second step, a site visit to the survey area is conducted to select the best location of control points. Next, set up control points with known coordinates on the site. The fourth step, all physical features that can be seen for a selected control point is identified and the special information is recorded. Number 5, gather existing maps, plans, and relevant details about the area. 6, using the Google Earth Pro application to establish these control points. The maps are divided into several layers representing point location areas and one type of feature for each layer. The created layers of spatial data are combined, analyzed, and visualized to create geographic information. So, and the last one, we can see the flow is same until the last one is we archive the survey data, documents, and any related information. Next. So I give to Adib to present this part.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. Next is this is our project stage, which is we have three stage of ongoing this project. First is stage one, which is discussion and understand of the project itself. And the second stage is we have to make a site visit and field survey on the site that we have to review. And on the stage three, we have to prepare the digital map and report writing for this project. Next slide, please. And this is our timeline along along the process of the project. On 16th November, we received the assignment. Then we make a first discussion on 20 November. And then we identify every corner of our site. And also the contour on the site. And on 28th December, we make a final discussion before writing the reports. And on 21 December, we have the outcome of learning and training on how to use the ArcGIS software in the Spatial lab. And on 19 December, we have the last another site visit to finalize and confirm our site. And for the last is we make a tapping process on our site. So for the project result, I will give to Sharon.
Okay, for the project result, first we learn about Google Earth and Google Earth Pro and ArcGIS. ArcGIS is the software developed to maintain to use in this segment. It is a geographic information system. So first we sketch the map on the Google Earth Pro software. Next, we collect all the data here and mark the point. Then we transfer the data to the ArcGIS software, where we get the different color to make it more easy to determine which building it is. And next, so for the problem in this project is in carry out the project, we identify a few problems like the information from the partial data is incomplete and the data is taken long. So the data is uh, unvalid, but we still need to find the accurate by visit the site. So the detail give use the understanding on how people create a specific maps for some area. For example, how people use spatial to create a map for tourists. Next.
Alright, in conclusion, this project we carry out is a real life simulator for real work on the field for a real engineer. This is what exactly an engineer needs to carry out. With this small experience, we as students can get an early exposure before doing the real work on the field. So basically, in the conclusion, we can know that everything that we learn throughout the semester and this are applied to this project. So from this project, we can get an early exposure about how the real data collection in the field when we work as an engineer soon. Uh, Next, these are the reference.
Okay, so that's all for project one presentation. Thank you.